Now, you see, the thing is, I've been lying to you, and today we're going to talk about it. But first, let's jump on the bike and go for a ride. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Bash and this is No Man's Scrambler. Today I'm not on my Scrambler, and it's also the first time that I've made a motovlog in about 3 or 4 months. As I said in the intro, let's explain what's been going on and why I've been away for so long. Well, I mean, doing one video a month instead of my goal of one video every week. This is about as bad as the weather has got in Cyprus, considering it's November now. By the time you're seeing this, it's like late January, I want to say. As long as I've got my editing down, I'm a couple of videos behind in terms of where I wanted to be upload-wise. But yeah, this weather is not warm, not warm out on the bike today. Oh dear. Right. Anyway. Why did I take the step back? Why did I not continue uploading videos once a week regularly like I planned? Why am I on a Honda instead of my Triumph? Well, this is a rental bike. I don't own this. I haven't moved to Cyprus. I have just come out here to work for a bit because there was a job opportunity. I could have earned so much more money than I could in the UK. So I had to take it, and with the weather getting worse in the UK, I thought, you know what, Cyprus doesn't sound all that bad. You mean I get to stay warm? He says, as all it's done is rain today up in the mountains. Oh dear, that's why we're going to head down to the coast right now and go and hit some beach roads, I guess, because I got this thing for the day. I might as well use it for the day. I am literally chilling it 30 mile an hour down the hill though, because I am not putting any throttle in right now. Oh man, yeah. But yeah, no, I have kind of gotten used to the idea of being out here now, and I thought I wasn't going to make this video, but I knew that if I didn't, I would kind of regret it. I had no intention of getting a bike out here, to be honest. I did look kind of first come out here to see if there's anything cheap, like a little dirt bike or something that was road legal. There was absolutely nothing that was cheap. So I ended up hiring this bike and just taking it out for the day, having a little look around the sites that I've driven past so many times in a car, but not in a bike. Oh dear. Yeah, so no, I've not gone anywhere. I am still here. I am still enjoying the whole YouTube game, and I will be for a long time to come. Weekly uploads will be returning, hopefully. And for now, I guess that's all I wanted to really say in this video. Like I said, more uploads, more content from Cyprus coming, so make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see all of that. For now, I'm going to leave it here, guys. I'm going to get down this hill and into the relative warmth of the coast, and then I'll probably start a new video. But as you can see, this is where we are right now. The coast is all the way down there. That's where I've got to get to. More pure sound coming, including one from this vehicle here, this beautiful Honda. Whoa, hello, you're right in the middle of the road in your big Hummer. Anyway, that's going to be it for today, guys. Like this video if you do, subscribe if you aren't already, and ring the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.